Assalamualaikum. In this video, we will learn how to install the latest version of Python in Windows 11 machine. So let's start. Open your favorite browser. I am on Windows. And I have installed Chrome and type here Python. So the first website, python.org, is the official website of Python. Open that and click on download. So you can see the latest version of Python is 3.13.0 and the latest release is 7/10/2024, 7th of September 2024. So I'll download this one. For the time saving purpose, I have already downloaded this. And after downloading, go to the folder where you have downloaded the exe file. Hopefully it will be in downloads as I have in downloads and run the setup. Click on yes. So use admin privileges, add path to exe. And I'll go with customize installation. So you can see all the options are checked. Go with them as we need PIP documentation, basic ID, ideally to write codes. Click on next, and I will use here install Python 3.13 for all users. Okay, and this is the path where our Python version will be installed. Just click on install. It will take a little time. So setup was successful. Now click on close. Now I will open command prompt. So check for the check of Python version. Digestion. Icon version. So you can see we have installed the latest version of Python 3.13.0. So let's try to write a first program. So we have installed the IDE as you remember while installing the setup. So click on that and we'll print out the first program. Allround. Hit enter. So this is the first program we have write in Python 3.13.0. So good luck guys. If you have any curious suggestion, feel free to comment below, subscribe the channel, like the video.